History of the Mahabodhi Temple. The Mahabodhi Temple in Bodh Gaya, Bihar, India, is one of the most sacred Buddhist pilgrimage sites. It marks the exact location where Siddhartha Gautama attained enlightenment and became Buddha under the Bodhi tree around 500 BCE. 1. Ancient origins. Buddha's time 5th century BCE. Around 500 BCE, Prince Siddhartha Gautama meditated under the Bodhi tree for 49 days and attained enlightenment, becoming Buddha, the awakened one. After enlightenment, Buddha continued meditating in 7 different places around the Bodhi tree. These spots are now marked inside the Mahabodhi temple complex. 2. Emperor Ashoka's contribution. 3rd century BCE, Emperor Ashoka, 268-232 BCE, of the Maurya dynasty, the great patron of Buddhism, visited Bodh Gaya. He built the first small temple at the Enlightenment site and erected the Vajrasana, diamond throne, under the Bodhi tree, which still exists today. He also sent monks and missionaries to spread Buddhism across India, Sri Lanka, and beyond. 3. Gupta dynasty construction, 5th-6th century CE. The current Mahabodhi temple structure was built by the Gupta rulers in the 5th-6th century CE. The temple was designed in the Nagara architectural style, with a 50-meter tall pyramidal spire. The temple complex flourished as a major Buddhist learning center for many centuries. 4. Decline and neglect. 12th-19th century. After the 12th century CE, Buddhism declined in India due to invasions and the rise of Hinduism and Islam. In 1193 CE, Turkic invaders, led by Bakhtiyar Khilji, attacked many Buddhist sites, leading to the decline of Buddhist institutions. By the 16th century, the temple was under the control of local Hindu monks, and Buddhism nearly disappeared from India. 5. Revival and restoration, 19th-20th century. In 1883, the British archaeologist Sir Alexander Cunningham and the Burmese monk Anagarika Dharmapal started efforts to restore the temple. The Bodhi tree was replanted, descended from the original tree in Sri Lanka. In 1949, the temple was officially placed under the Bodh Gaya Temple Management Committee, jointly run by Hindus and Buddhists. 6. UNESCO World Heritage Status, 2002 present. In 2002, UNESCO declared the Mahabodhi Temple a World Heritage Site due to its immense historical and spiritual significance. Today, it is one of the most visited Buddhist pilgrimage sites in the world. Key features of the Mahabodhi Temple. 1. Main temple structure 50 meters tall, with intricate carvings. 2. Bodhi tree, descendant of the original tree where Buddha meditated. 3. Vajrasana, diamond throne, the sacred spot where Buddha sat. 4. Animesh Lochan Stupa, where Buddha gazed at the Bodhi tree after enlightenment. 5. 7 weak spots, marking places where Buddha meditated after enlightenment. 6. Chankramana path, the sacred path where Buddha walked in meditation. Conclusion. The Mahabodhi temple has survived over 2,500 years of history, from its origins in Buddha's time to its decline and revival. It remains the holiest site in Buddhism, attracting millions of pilgrims and tourists from all over the world.